You don't want to get the gas. So you push the button. Boop.
Plug in. Now go to the bathroom. Welcome everybody. We had to stop and charge real fast. We're gonna do something called camp mode. You plug in your Tesla and you just chill with the AC going, or you can run inside and get something to eat, which I'm not gonna do. I'm gonna hang out right here while the car charges real fast, because I'm taking you guys on an adventure to a very special restaurant, one of my favorite restaurants in the Orlando area. But we can't get there just yet. We have to charge for at least 10 minutes. It's not too bad. Teslas charge fast. Charge, girl. Charge. Oh. No car. Oh, the car knows I'm in front of it. It is like hurricane style weather out there. If you guys see behind me over here, we do have SeaWorld. Got some roller coasters right across the street. So can you guys see those? How awesome is that? No one's riding today though, because it is getting ready to storm. And we're only a couple miles away from Disney property where we're getting ready to go eat. Everybody ran inside to go do something real fast. I was out here, I'm standing here all by myself. I was thinking, go over here by the swimming pool. There's a bar right next to the pool. But I don't think I have enough time to go down something. I don't have enough time to go down an adult beverage. That kind of sucks. Yum.
Smile.
Yum. Yum. What's the name? It's hotpot. You and me. You and me. So I'm just kind of setting everything in there and see how long it takes to sink down as it boils. That's how I hotpot. As you hear the thunder in the background, it's not Buddha creating that. Welcome everybody to You and Me Hotpot. You, me, and Buddha. Here, this is like one of our favorite restaurants here in the Orlando area. Incredible food. I've never, in my entire life, never discovered hot pots until we discovered this place. Oh,
Get out of the way, please. Otherwise, I will become angry.
Can't make Peanut angry. Can't make Peanut angry. There's another one. That's what this place is known for. Robot staff. It's pretty incredible. It's also known as the TikTok restaurant. So you come, do TikToks of the robots, and do some hot pot goodness. So not only do you get the conveyor belts worth of food, you also get a choice of numerous meats, fish balls. Who knew fish had balls? And a fairly large selection of seafood. That is the hardest working robot in show business.
Here we are.
I am all done, but let me show you guys the mixology place. This is where all the amazing boba teas and everything else is made. They have pretty good options here. What you do is you sit down, you order a broth. Me, I get the spicy broth, very, very tasty. Then you get to go get all the food that you want to put in there. And while you're waiting for that bubbling to start, you order a drink. And would you look at those fantastic things? As a matter of fact, one is being made at this very moment.
Almost medium well done. So like but this what I'm using is pretty good.
Hey. So who gets what? Alex's cookies and cream? Ooh, hold on, hold on. And you are colorful?
I don't know.
You're a colorful one. And you are green. You could. Thank you very, very much. Bye. Thank you.
Good night.
Wow. Okay, everybody. That was pretty amazing. I am stuffed. And this is the end of the video. Showing you a little bit of food. That's about all you get. So you thought. Wait until you see this.
Because you want to see all
This right here. Okay, I'm ready to rock it.
I promise.
You have to do it from inside?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. Check out this as I sign off until our next video. It's like going to a concert. The car's going to put a concert on for us.
It is.
Should do this at night, but we're going to do it in the daytime. Anytime now. Anytime, car. Anytime.
Doors are closing.
The doors are closing. Okay. Let the concert begin, Jen. Oh, it plays music too?
Uh-huh.
Should put my microphone next to it. Does it get loud?
I think this is as loud as it gets.
You guys probably can't hear it. I bet that is so cool at night.
It is. Oh, hold on. It's not over yet. Tilt up.
I should have. Oh, the trunk is opening. Do the doors. Oh, look at the little mirror things twist.
The windows are opening and closing too.
Oh, that is so cool. That's so cool. Oh, it must not be over. Oh, there it goes.
Now it is.
That is sweet.
Isn't that great?
All right, guys. I should have mic'd it. It played the what was it? The
Trans-Siberian.
Trans-Siberian Orchestra Christmas thing, and then the car just does this thing.
We can do it again.
And remic it?
Yeah.
No, they don't care. Though maybe at nighttime.
Want to do it again?
When we get to the campground when it's dark.
Okay, we'll do it then.
Check out the next video to see that same exact thing at night. Until then, I love you guys. Peace out.
Cool.